Hello, Class 6 boys and girls. This is Miss Sang Sangi. Welcome back to online class. Vainia yanin chapter 3 kan zirdona, chapter 19 circle kan zirdona ni. In textbook kanin lau keve anga page 185 kanin oma circles. Kamo in lau keve chewdonya circles to engeni kan shat vector hin oma a definition karon siarang. A circle is a simple closed figure bounded by a curve on a plane. A circle hi closed figure ani closed figure te open figure kha kumtira khan kan zir to in la sha em in la chat karinga circle chu closed figure ani curve ina akwal khung chunga mi ani ti chuanin circle hianin center kan neya chu point o hi center ani alai takha mo ti chuanin center le circle in kar hlat zong hi OA hi radius kan ti boka radius. The distance between the center and the circle is called radius. Okay, o le a in kar hlat zong hi kha radius kan ti ti chuanin circle hianin interior of circle le exterior of circle le interior kan ti chuan hemi a curve ina mo circle akwal chung zong hi afam chung zong hi ni chu interior of circle kan ti khani ti chuan hemi circle pon zong hi hemi curve pon zong hi ni chu exterior of circle kan ti ti chuan hemi figure hi kan en chuanin point P hi circle chung omani P is a point which lies interior of a circle. Okay, this one point Q hi chu exterior circle pona point ani this one point A le point B hi lies on a circle cha mo hemi a boundary cha hianin an awangin points on a circle kan ti chin ani Next, we have chord of a circle. Kasoy ma in hemi ka underline how hi important points niya nakina kanin exam hunate test hunate kana ron swak ke awangin in law underline ve anga in law zir thiam bokang chord of a circle kansoy liang a line segment whose endpoints lie on a circle is called a chord of a circle. Line segment aka circle line segment endpoint te kha circle khanin an ve khan khami ka chord kan ti ni chuan hemi figure hian PQ hi chord ani hemi line na top lam tel lo hian mo PQ china khu chord kan ti khani ti chuanin diameter of a circle only the longest chord of a circle is called diameter of the circle. Ti chuanin diameter here circle chord saber ani chin cha tur the longest chord of a circle is called diameter of the circle. Diameter here circle kan chord saber ani diameter passes through the center and its length is double the length of the radius of the circle. Diameter hianin engtiklai pon center hi akal tanga akal tlang hey CD hi diameter ani hianin akal tlang kakachin cha bok turani ti chuanin diameter here radius let ni ani radius. For example, OA distance between OA is 3 cm ani chuanin diameter CD to 6 cm ani don a double zel don circle khan engtik lai pon adang lam law ani. For example, if your radius is 5 cm, then the length of diameter is 10 cm. Is that clear? Next, we have circumference. The circular boundary of the circle is called circumference. Circumference kan ti chuan circle sei zong ang khani mai hemi a boundary hi hemi boundary zai hi circumference kan ti chu ani ti chuanin hemi diagram a chuanin CD hi 2 times R ani a the diameter of circle ani boka PQ hi chord ani khang hau kha kan soi PQ is a chord and CD is a diameter and OA is radius. Next we have secant. A line that cuts a circle at 2 distinct points is called a secant. Secant kan ti chuan line in I center kha I 2 points a kha nin akat chuan hei tu da po hemi figure a hian RS hi secant ani a tiana kala circle kha P avatan ti chuan akal phei chara Q wa tan le a 2 points a kha nin circle kha secant chuanin atan ani line in a circle kha 2 points a akat chuan atan tlang chuanin khamikan line a kha secant chu ani achangem kan lo chiaronga kan textbook ami kha kan lo sir don ya atudlia chuan tangent kan neya a line that touches a circle at one point is called a tangent. Line ni na circle kha point pakhata asi chuan khami line kha tangent kan ti chu ani hemi figure hi kan en chuan line T hian circle hi point A a chau hianin asuk touch ani asuk si mo chu wang chuan hemi line hi tangent ani ama kha chuanin secant kha chuanin circle kha point pani a tacha tangent a ve thung chuan line khanin circle kha 1 point asuk touch ani next we have arc chuan heta hianin ka soi le du chu OA hi radius ani a circle I mean tangent khanin circle kha 1 point azuk kat na le O radius khanin tangent kha 90 degree asiam OA le T in mid na kha intiklai pon 90 degree ani arc. A part of a circle is called an arc of the circle. ABC is an arc of the circle. CD is another arc. Arc kan ti chuanin circle a part of a circle ni chuan circle all samjong chuan arc to circle phel ani mai circle them angkha athem ta po hianin hemi figure a hianin BC hi arc ani CD po hi arc ani ti chuanin ABC hemi chin hi arc ani bok arc chu kan siam ngun to kan she to lutuk tiro ti chuanin kan arc a khanin minor arc le major arc oma if the length of an arc is less than the half the length of a circle it is called minor arc hemi kan circle chan ve kha mo half khami seizong aya kan arc kha atlem chuan minor arc kan ti ni heta po hian BC hi minor arc kan ti theyang ti chuanin chu tiang cha chuanin AB po hi minor arc ania half kan circle half aya atlem chuanin kan arc kha minor arc ani ti chuanin I kan arc kha circle chan ve aya atam chuan khami kan arc kha major arc kan ti bokani hemi figure a chuan arc ADB hi hemi kwal chungi half of a circle ain atam zo ka wangin major arc kan chin ani let's move to semicircle. Semi means half. Semi to achan ve ti na ni mai semicircle means half of a circle. Semicircle kan ti chuanin circle chan ve cha ti kha hemi figure a po hianin EBF hi hemi kwal chungi kan circle chan ve cha kha ni achu wang chuanin semicircle kan ti kha ani. Note that the diameter divides a circle into two equal parts. Chuan kan shareng tu chu EF hemi figure a chuan EF hi diameter ani diameter hian in circle hi nge mun ni in ang cha in a chen shang ani. Next we have sector of circle. The region bounded by an arc and 2 radii drawn through the ends of the arc is called a sector of the circle. Sector kan ti chuanin radius pahnih more radii kan ti chuan it is a plural form of radius, okay? OA le OB hi radius pahnih ani a radius pahnih le arc hemi arc hi mo hemi kwal khung chung hi minor I mean sector kan ti chu ani a ti chuanin hemi ate lampang mo a shade portion a hi minor sector ani a ti chuan he lam a shaded lo zo a varchin song a hi o hemi kwal khung chung hi major sector kan ti bokani sector chu arc le radius pahnih ina asiam ani chu mo. Next we have quadrant. If the sector is 1/4 of the area enclosed by a circle, it is called a quadrant of the circle. Quadrant kan ti chuanin kan circle a kha o sector kha e kan circle a hianin i mun li athena mun khat khan kan sector khanin a o chuan khami hemi chin a shaded portion hi mo hi quadrant kan ti chu ani mun li athena mun khat kha kan sector kha ani chuan mo kha quadrant kan ti chu ani. Next we have segment of a circle. The part of the circular region cut off by a secant is called the segment of a circle. Segment kan ti chuanin kan circle a kha secant ina mun ni a phel shan khan o I nge a phel shan khanin he ta po han gh secant ani a ti chuan hemi circle hi I aron phel shang ani o mun ni aron phel shanga chu segment kan ti chu ani ti chuan segment a khanin na china sector ang bo khan minor sector le major sector a ang khanin second hianin circle hi mun ni a phel chan chuanin minor segment le major segment aron oma hemi second ina a phel circle a phel athem te zo ka hi minor segment kan ti a ti chuan hemi alian lampang zo ka hi major segment kan ti o he lai pq hemi chin zong hi major segment ani a pq he lampang zong hi minor segment chu ani. For the last one we have concentric circle. If 2 or more circles have same center and different radii, they are called concentric circle. Concentric kan circle la chuanin circle in thwa ani mai o kan sha thiam dan tur chuan I circle in thwa ani a ame ro chu kan circle te khanin center kha o hi anin toma ti chuan an radius te hi chu ada ain ang lau vek ani o kha concentric circle ani ka soile ang circle kha center pakhat atanga radius in ang lau thewa kan siam khan khami kan circle in thwa kha concentric circle chu ani o circle construction of circle aron da a heta hianin asiam dan kha chu kan sui to lawang circle chu in siam thiam vek to inarin oma chu wang chuanin kan soi non to lawang second le tan chen hi chu na china khan kan soi to wangin he po hi kan soi non lawang ti chuanin construction of tangent of a tangent aron oma I po hi ka soi thwak anga ke man koron siam don lawa I circle in siam manga a radius in siam manga ta hianin point p center amang hianin heta hianin 90 degree in jonga kha tangent jo dan chu ni mai o hemi line pt a hi kan tangent chu ni mai 90 degree cha ni do na hela hi point p a hianin 90 degree in siamang hei po hi 90 degree kha kan siam asiam dan kha kan thiam vek to wangin ka soinon lawanga ti chuan helaya po hianin construction of a perpendicular bisector of a chord kha oma I perpendicular bisector siam dan po kha kan zir to a I circle in siam manga ti chuan chord ab in siam manga ab atang hian perpendicular bisector in lo siam mang o a center mang yan lama yanin arc in siam manga helama hian arc in siam pokang b hi center mang hianin helama le helama hianin I arkin siam le bokanga khaka chu asam dani karon seinon to lawang heta check out here law enila or draw a circle of radius 3.5 centimeter and mark its center, a chord of the circle, a major arc, a diameter, a minor arc. Hey hi nang mani in notebook in law chang. Oh, yeah. Question number 2, say true or false here. Kasoy lokang. Diameter is 3 times the radius, which is false. Tiro na sinakanin kansoy to. Diameter is 2 times the radius. Kantika double the radius or 2 times the radius. More radius length ni ani. Oh, the first one, question number 1 is false. Number 2, diameter is the longest chord, which is true. Diameter here, chord say berkan ne ani. A quadrant is 1/4 of a circle, which is true. Hey po hi quadrant ka 1/4 more. Munli achana mun khat ka. This is also true. A sector is the region bounded by 2 chords. Sector here, chord 2 chord inasiam. Ito adiklaw. Oh, chord. A sector is the region bounded by 2 radii. So, turani chord lavin mo. A tangent cuts the circle at 2 points, which is false. A tangent cuts the circle at 1 point. Titur. Or, tutiani lautuan, a secant cuts the circle at 2 points. Pun kan soy teyang. Or, second so kan 2 points sa circle ka cut. Or, number 6. Radius through the point of a contact of a tangent is perpendicular to the tangent, or which is true. Hey, true. Or radius through the point of contact of a tangent is perpendicular to the tangent. Perpendicular ani so ani 90 degree akat. Oh, mi figure ang ka hetiang ang hi. Oh, 90 degree a radius le tangent ka ayin mo. Number 7. A circle has many diameters, which is true. Circle akan diameter tam tak kan siam the. Oh, engsat near kan siam the. Soy the lo atam lutok. A secant intersect the circle at 2 distinct points, which is true. Length of a major arc is more than semicircle, which is true. Hey po hi a true major arc hi semicircle ay na tamsok. Oh, minor kato semicircle ay na tlemsok. Number 10. Center of a circle lies on the circle, which is false. Oh, center of circle kato circle akan ina umlaw diro akwa laya akan. It is in the middle of a circle. Okay? Kaka hey hi in notebook in law copy anga answer in law sa bogdon niya. Katisong ka in ni akan zir thai chu ni se atang how hi chu kan chang lavang. Oh, kan chang lavanga from the given diameter complete this. Oh, hey hi in law homework kang question number 80 in notebook in law sia kanga QR hi ange ni mo QR hela hi QR ani law OR so gani mo OR to radius tiro QP to ange ni. Oh, tunak kasoy vek lavang PU and QV U and QV again ni kaka in law so idonya. Oh, hey, this is also your homework. Your homework is to complete question number 1, question number 2, and question number 8 in your notebook. Okay? Dituan to baka tuan na tinakasoitak ang kanin kan underline how he in ka underline song he in textbook akanin in law underline ke anga chuan in law thiamang nakina true or false ang chi kanin exam huna latest huna kanaron chha thea wangin kha kan law zir thiam fek don ya. Oh, that's all for today. Thank you.